The tinnitus topic, and I need to tell you, when we talk about tinnitus, we're really talking about a lot of things. We like to think it's just one thing. Everybody wants to find a cure for tinnitus, but there is not a cure. There never will be a cure, because tinnitus is not one thing. If it was one thing, we could probably take a pill for it, or go and get a shot for it, or get something, some kind of treatment. Instead, each one of us are as different as our thumbprint is. We're different. We're made up differently. We have different experiences, different temperaments, different exposures to heavy metals, different nutrition. Most of us today in the United States have nutritional deficiencies, the vast majority of the population. Let me just give you a couple of statistics that might help enlighten you a little bit about where we've gone. We like to think that we're the most healthy population in the world, but actually wherever I go and travel and lecture throughout the world, we're among the sickest. And when I see the doctors in other countries, they say, because I train physicians, I train in different professions, and they say, why are Americans so sick? Why do you have 39 million diabetics today? Diabetes mellitus type 2, 39 million. You only had 3 million at the beginning of the 1970s, and by the end of the 1970s, you had 3.4 million, just about even with the population growth. Then all of a sudden, you went from 3.4 million in 1980 to 1990, you went to 14 point something million. Then you went to 27 million by the end of the 2000, and by the time I got to 2011, 39 million. So that's a lot of diabetics, isn't it? 13 times increase. How do we get that? Well, if you think that's bad, I think you'll probably find cardiovascular disease even more frightening. We've gone 17 times in cardiovascular disease since 1970. And cancer, 25 times. 25 times.